Exposing the easiest way to update your email with Landbank. It's simpler than you think. First, you'll want to contact the Landbank Customer Care Center. This is the best way to change your email address. You can reach them by email at customercare@landbank.com or give them a call at one of these numbers. Plus 632 8405 7000 for NCR or 1-800-10-405-7000 if you're using PLDT domestic toll-free. Make sure you have your account details handy for verification. Prefer face-to-face help? No problem. Just visit any Landbank branch to update your email in person. Now, you might be wondering about the Landbank mobile banking app. While it's great for many updates, email changes need to go through customer care. Remember, always keep your personal information secure and never share your user ID or password. And that's it. Keep an eye out for a confirmation from Landbank, and you're good to go. Updating your email has never been easier.